Hello students, welcome to Educare classes. I am your mentor Garvit Singh Rathod. Our question is mark the correct option. Our option number A is the luminous efficiency of monochromatic source is always greater than that of a white light source of same power. Is this option correct or incorrect? Now, when we talk about our option A, this is incorrect. Incorrect. Why it is incorrect? Because the luminous efficiency of a monochromatic source may be less than that of white light, as may be less than that of white light if the former emits wavelength far away from 555 nanometers. So our option A is incorrect. Now moving to the option B. Our option B is the luminous efficiency of a monochromatic source of wavelength 555 nanometer is always greater than that of white light of same power. Is this option correct or incorrect? Now, when we talk about our option B is correct. Why correct? Because our eyes mostly respond to colors. Close to wavelength 555 nanometers and detect them bright. Now, so we can say that luminous efficiency is unity at 555 nanometers, which is the highest value. Now moving to option number C. Our option C is the illuminating power of a monochromatic source of wavelength 555 nanometer is always greater than that of a white source of same power. Our option C. Now when we talk about our option number C, our option C is correct. Our option C is the correct statement. Why it is correct statement? Because white light distributes its energy among certain colors that our eyes cannot detect as brightly as they detect 555 nanometer light. Now moving to the option number D. Our option D is the illuminating power of monochromatic source is always greater than that of a white source of same power. Is this option true or not? Now when we talk about our option number D, our option D is certainly incorrect. It is not a valid statement, because if the monochromatic because if the monochromatic light radiates, if the monochromatic light radiates in a wavelength that is far away from 555 nanometers, from 555 nanometers, our eyes will not perceive it as bright, so it will have lesser illuminating power, because this answer is based on all these answers are based on a simple graph which we have studied, the graph between relative luminosity and wavelength. Here let us say it is 400 nanometers and here is 700 nanometers, and the graph is something like this. It is maximum at 555 nanometers. So as per the question, our correct options will be option B and option C. I hope this cleared your doubt. Thank you.